Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to solve fourth numerical related to op-amp integrator. I have already solved three numericals related to op-amp integrator. So if you want to see that videos, you can check it in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So question number 4 on op-amp integrator is, for the operational amplifier circuit shown, sketch output voltage for 50 milliseconds after the switch S is opened. Assume ideal operational amplifier. So when we assume ideal operational amplifier, we know that in ideal operational amplifier the input resistance is infinite. Since input resistance is infinite, the current flowing through this input resistance IN will be equal to 0. That means the current flowing into the operational amplifier IN will be equal to 0. Now we have studied one concept called as virtual short circuit concept. By virtual short circuit concept, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is equal to the voltage at the inverting terminal. Let the voltage at the non-inverting terminal is Vx and let the voltage at inverting terminal is Vy. So by virtual short circuit concept, Vx will be equal to Vy, and since Vx is equal to 3 volt here, so Vy will also be equal to 3 volt by virtual short circuit concept. Now let at time t is equal to 0 the switch S is closed. Then if the switch S is closed, then the capacitor will be short circuited. Now the circuit will look like this when the switch S is closed. By virtual short circuit concept, since the voltage at the inverting terminal is also equal to 3 volt, the output voltage Vout is equal to 3 volt at time t is equal to 0. Now when the switch S is open, the circuit will act as integrator. Now the circuit will look like this when switch S is open. Let the input voltage is Vi and the voltage at the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier is Vy, and the current flowing through this R1 resistance is I1, and the current which is flowing into the operational amplifier is IN, and current flowing through this CF capacitor is IF. Now we apply KCL at node 1. By KCL, I1 will be equal to IN plus IF. Now since this operational amplifier is ideal, this input current to the operational amplifier is 0. Therefore from this equation we will get I1 is equal to IF. Now we will find I1 and IF from the circuit diagram. So I1 will be equal to input voltage Vi minus voltage at the inverting terminal is Vy divided by R1 resistance, which is equal to current through the capacitor IF. And the equation of the current through the capacitor is CF into d by dt of voltage across the capacitor. So voltage across the capacitor will be Vy minus Vout. Now we put all the values which are given. Vi is equal to 5 volt minus the voltage at the inverting terminal is equal to 3 volt by virtual short circuit concept. So here we put Vy is equal to 3 divided by resistance is 40 into 10 to the power 3 is equal to CF is given 0.2 microfarad, so it will be equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then d by dt of Vy is 3 volt minus Vout. Now from this equation we can see that the differentiation of the constant term will be equal to 0. So d by dt of 3 will be equal to 0. Now we will get this type of equation. After solving this equation, we will get 2 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to minus of d by dt of Vout. Now this equation can be written like this. Now integrating both sides, we will get Vout is equal to minus of 2 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 integration over dt from 0 to, and here t is given equal to 50 milliseconds. Now we put t is equal to 50 milliseconds here, and when we cancel this it will be equal to minus of 1 upon 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. After putting the value of t, we will get this type of equation. Now after integrating, output voltage will be equal to minus of 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. This 10 to the power minus 3 and this 10 to the power minus 3 will cancel out, and we get output voltage is equal to minus of 12.5 volt. So this value is at t is equal to 50 milliseconds. Now we have to find out the total output voltage. Now the total output voltage is equal to integration from 0 to 50 milliseconds Vi dt plus the output voltage at time t is equal to 0. So this value we have already found out, it is equal to minus of 12.5, and the output voltage at time t is equal to 0 is plus 3 volt. So this will be equal to plus 3 here, which is equal to minus of 9.5 volt. Okay. Now we have to find out at which time this 9.5 volt is coming at the output. So for this again we will use the output voltage equation. Now let us assume the output voltage Vout is equal to minus 9.5 volt at time t is equal to t1. So we will use this equation of the integrator. Output voltage is equal to minus of 1 upon R1 CF integration from 0 to t1 Vi minus Vy dt. So here we will put Vout is equal to minus of 9.5. Then we put R1 and CF values here. So we get minus of 1 upon R1 is 40 into 10 to the power 3 into CF is 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then integration from 0 to T1, Vi is 5 volt and Vy is 3 volt. So we'll get 5 minus 3 dt. Now we'll get this type of equation. Now after integration we will get T1 is equal to 38 milliseconds. That means the output voltage is equal to minus of 9.5 volt at time T1 is equal to 38 milliseconds. Now last step is to draw the sketch for the output voltage for 50 milliseconds. This is the sketch of output voltage. We have represented the output voltage in volts in the y-axis, and in the x-axis we have represented time in milliseconds. So here we can see that the initial voltage at time t is equal to 0 is 3 volt, and at time t is equal to 38 milliseconds the voltage is minus of 9.5 volt. So this is the sketch of the output voltage for the operational amplifier circuit given. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.